Hello, class ninth. Today we are going to start with the lesson number 2, Factor Promoting the Growth of Nationalism and Foundation of Indian National Congress. Before starting the chapter, we must know the following terms. Nationalism, meaning feeling of brotherhood. Economic exploitation, it implies the idea of certain gain or profit through production, distribution, and consumption. Free trade, trade without tax. Chaos, position of lawlessness. Discontent, dissatisfaction. Drained, took away. Unemployment, a situation when the person is not busy with any economic activity. Economic activity is considered as a paid activity. Resources, stock or supply of money, material, staff, and other assets. They are natural and man made that can be drawn by a person or any organization in order to function effectively. Export, send goods and services to other countries for sale. As we know, children, the India was ruled by British before 1947. Britishers came to India as traders and they became the master of India. They became the master of India by following the different policies like policy of annexation, doctrine of lapse, subsidiary alliances. With these attitudes, India were not happy. Different sections of the society revolt against British in 1857. This is considered as a first war of independence. This war has developed the feeling of nationalism among Indians. It means nationalism means feeling of brotherhood. Different factors are responsible for the development of promoting the factor of nationalism among Indians, like British policy of economic exploitation. Economic exploitation means getting their own benefit. Britishers were imposing their own rules and regulations on Indians. They were not bothering about Indians. Effects of the revolt of 1857. As we know, revolt of 1857 was considered as a first war of independence, and there were many reasons responsible for it, like political, social, economic, and religious. In political sections, they were annexing the territories of the Indian rulers. For the social sections, they were interfering in the social matters of Indians. Economic, Britishers were imposing the high taxes on Indians. Religious sections were responsible in this factor. They were converting the Indian peoples into Christianity. Next factor is British imperialism. It means when the weak sections were ruled by the powerful sections. Repressive colonial policies. Many repressive colonial policies were introduced by British and they were all revolted by the Britishers. Indians were not ready to follow these colonial policies. Binding influence of the means of transport and communication. This factor was boon to the Indians because means of transport and communication helped lot to Indians to spread the messages, and they help in develop the feeling of nationalism among all the Indians all over the country. Western thought and education that also helped because people came aware about their liberty, equality, and freedom. And French Revolution has great impact on this ideologies. Indian press and literature. Through the press and literatures, Indians were able to spread their ideas all over the country. Rediscovery of India's glorious past, socio-religious reform movements. These are the basic factors which were promoting towards the nationalism. Now, children, we will discuss one by one